I've seen a turnkey construction process completely, and it's been amazing.
A typical day in the office changes every day, which is part of what I love about it.
At other companies, I know that everything's set from the start, but here at ARCO, you have the opportunity to kind of take things into your own hands.
I also really enjoy being able to see things built from the ground up.
We come to work every day and it's a new project, it's a new task. I've worked on a Carvana warehouse, life science building, a Topgolf.
ARCO, they really do push your limits. You'll realize by the end of your internship that, I'm actually doing quite a bit. I'm making an impact on this job site.
It really showed me how the whole construction process works from beginning to end. I've seen the minute details that it takes.
Everything from buyout to estimates to going on site, running pre-construction meetings, planning schedules. I basically get to take on the role of an assistant project manager or a mini project manager.
I didn't really know I wanted to be a project manager until I started at ARCO. Going through the actual design part of ARCO Design Build has been something I absolutely have enjoyed so much. It feels like you're an engineer, you're a project manager, you're thinking from the owner's eyes as well.
Giving me a lot of responsibility as an intern, I'm really allowed to see the full process of a building coming to fruition, of all these meetings with the structural engineers, with the PMs, and the supers. It's a very integrated environment where you are really getting the construction and design experience.
They asked me what I wanted to learn, which was incredible. I walked in with a stack of bid instructions probably about this big before I ever even had my actual HR orientation.
Best thing is just the people, the culture, just being with these people day in and day out. It's somewhere I want to work,
ARCO is really like a family. Even though sometimes it gets hard, the people that you work with, they'll ask about you and we'll joke around. The best part about ARCO is, you're never alone.
If I have any issues, I can find an answer within 10 minutes. Every door is always open.
To really take me through step by step how to solve my problem or learn how to do my takeoff.
I came in as an intern and I'm treated like a coworker. I was invited to go play volleyball with everyone after work. I've been invited to the happy hours and going out with meetings with the big owners.
Like you had a feeling that this is where you want to end up in, especially when you work for a long time and you become kind of part of the team and you feel like the team is kind of family for you. Especially, I moved from Palestine to the US. You're trying to find the place where you can kind of call home at some point. And when I got the offer, I was like, finally I made it. It's where I want to be.
I would say ARCO's a really great place to learn and grow, especially as you advance in your career. You get given a lot of responsibility and a lot of different challenges face you as a project manager co-op and a project manager at ARCO in general. I think it's a really good place to learn and grow, and it definitely won't be something you regret.